So guys, firstly, make sure you are connected to the same Wi-Fi. The same Wi-Fi, okay? You should be connected to the same Wi-Fi. Follow my instructions. It can be a public Wi-Fi or private. As far you are connected to that Wi-Fi, you can control the devices that are connected to it, to the router or Wi-Fi. Okay. Now download this application. I will drop the link down below. Down the description below, the description box. You can check it. Download and install. Description. You have to open the app, the application. Make sure you download the one from my link below. With this, you can be able to lock someone out of your Wi-Fi. Click those two things: the fake MAC address and fast scan, and as you can see, all the connected device will show there. From where you can control all the connected phones or any devices, be it laptop, TV, whatever, or phones. Now with fast.com on the other phone, we can be able to track the network. As you can see, you can see 5.something MB, 6 6.66. But now, just after we have turned it off, always remember to use full exit to go back or stop this action. Now it will start counting again.